In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a Wayfair gift card. Whether you're looking to treat a loved one or perhaps even yourself, getting a gift card from Wayfair is incredibly straightforward and provides a perfect way to give someone the gift of choice. Let's dive right into the process to make sure you have all the details you need for a smooth and successful purchase. First off, you'll want to visit the Wayfair gift cards page to explore your purchase options. Simply navigate to the URL at wayfair.com/giftcards/purchase. Once there, you'll be greeted with a range of choices that cater to various preferences and needs. It's important to decide upfront whether you prefer a digital e-gift card or a physical gift card. The digital option is perfect for speedy deliveries and can be sent straight to the recipient's email. On the other hand, if you wish to add a tangible touch, opt for the physical card, which will be mailed directly to the address you provide. After you've settled on the type of gift card you want, it's time to set the amount. Wayfair offers flexible denominations, so you can choose the value that best suits your budget and the occasion. Whether it's a small token of appreciation or a generous gift, there are plenty of options to fit your specific needs. Now let's enter the recipient's details. For e-gift cards, this means you'll need to input the recipient's name and email address. Make sure this information is accurate, as the e-gift card will be sent directly to the email address you provide. If you've chosen to send a physical gift card, then you'll need to fill in the mailing address. Be precise and double-check the address to ensure a seamless delivery experience. Moving on, consider adding a personal touch with a message if you feel it's appropriate. While this step is optional, personalizing your gift card with a heartfelt or fun message can make the gift feel extra special and show the recipient you care. You're almost there. The next step is to review your order. Verify that all the details, the gift card type, amount, recipient details, and any personal message are correct. Once everything checks out, go ahead and add the gift card to your cart. Proceed to the checkout to finalize your purchase. Here, you'll need to enter your payment information. Follow the prompts carefully, ensuring all payment details are correct to avoid any hitches. And there you have it. Your gift card purchase is complete, and you've now successfully learned how to navigate through Wayfair's gift card purchasing process. Enjoy the satisfaction of gifting someone the pleasure of choice, and thank you for joining me in this guide.